What is that? Jerks. And spray painting and oh, look at this, carving up the thing. Oh, what a bunch of jerks. They had to see that sign, didn't they?
Yeah, I don't want to get, follow the rules.
We could have been ignorant. We didn't see it. We see
Yeah.
the others. We see the trail.
This is a nice view, though.
Oh, yeah, this is gorgeous. I mean, this is gorgeous. I mean, in Arizona, you got a lot of beautiful views, too.
I think there's the Red Lion Hotel we're staying at right there. If I could zoom it in. Yeah, that's it. Looks like it.
Only 13 floors. I'm waiting for the last episode of Family Guy, and I hope she just...
Yeah, it goes postal, right?
Oh, that's so funny.
He does the doctor. He does, yeah, Peter Griff.
And he does Ted.
He does the reporter, the anchor guy on the news.
Yeah.
He's the bear. Yeah. So he did a spot on impersonation.
That's me.
Yeah.